The leisure industry is growing, and with it, the demand for entertainment, sports, and tourist offers. This brings us great technical challenges, but also great opportunities for growth. Our aim is to optimize the customer experience in leisure. More than 2 billion transactions are run on Axess systems every year. Since the company was founded in 1998, partners in over 53 countries have relied on Axess's expertise in these areas: ski resorts, amusement parks, stadia, fairs, and tourist transport. High innovation capacity and bundled expertise have always been the core of Axess's corporate culture. Today, more than 300 employees worldwide are dedicated to the continuous improvement of the customer experience. Not only Axess solutions, but also secure data processing and a variety of software products characterize our range of services. From data management to the integration of external services and CRM integration, all solutions come directly from Axess. Our products are manufactured in Austria, in our own factory in Innsbruck, and offer the highest quality standards. Our international subsidiaries guarantee professional planning, fast on-site processing, and support in the local language. Services such as cashless forms of payment, recording of Axess and customer data, as well as digitalization of ticketing and customer communication, create advantages for innovative companies. At the headquarters in Salzburg, Austria, the Axess Executive Board has recorded rapid growth in turnover every year. Axess is 65% owned by the MTH Group, 35% by members of the management and the company. This is the bedrock for our superior performance. With more than 11,000 installed POS systems, over 18,000 smart gates, and 200 million smart cards delivered, Axess has enormous expertise. No matter what challenges we face, the optimal customer experience is at the heart of all our operations. Axess.